Welcome to my channel Job Opening and Career. This channel is for education and career purpose. Data science course to harness the power of data for real-world decision-making PG level advanced certification programming. Computational data science. Gain the IISC Indian Science tops among the oldest and the finest higher education institutes of India. It pursues excellence in research and education in several fields of science and engineering and is one of the first three publicly funded institutes to be awarded the Institute of Eminence status. The alumni of IISc hold significant academic and industry positions around the globe. For more information, visit https://www.iisc.ac.in. The PG level advanced certification in computational data science will be delivered by IISC's Center for Continuing Education, CCE, in collaboration with Talent Sprint. CCE delivers courses suitably designed to meet the requirements of various target groups, research and development, R&D, laboratories and industries, research scientists and engineers to enable them to grow into competent managers of technology-intensive and data-driven organizations. For more information, visit http://cce.iisc.ac.in. IISc Data Science Course. Are you a working professional looking to build expertise in data science? Look no further than the PG level advanced certification course in data science offered by Indian Institute of Science, IISc, in association with Talent Sprint. This highly sought after program offers a unique 5-step learning process, including live online faculty led interactive sessions, capstone projects, mentorship, case studies, and data stories. Taught by world-class faculty from a global institution and supplemented with industry learnings, this 12-month program is best suited for professionals who want to gain practical hands-on experience in solving real-life challenges. The program teaches participants how to build powerful models to generate actionable insights necessary for making data-driven decisions. With an overwhelming response, this program has enabled 750 plus professionals to build data science expertise. Don't miss the opportunity to gain an in-depth understanding of the mechanics of working with data and identifying insights. Enroll now and take your career to the next level with the PG level advanced certification course in computational data science. About 95,000 vacancies for data scientists exist in India. Information is the oil of the 21st century, and analytics is the combustion engine. Data science needs will create roughly 11.5 million job openings by 2026. Chief data officers can increase consistent production of business value by a factor of 2.6x. What should you expect? Learn. Learn from leading IISc faculty. Master. Master by applying concepts through hands-on projects. Network. Network with current and future data science practitioners. Prestigious certificate. PG level certification by Center for Continuing Education. Schedule. 12 months executive-friendly program. IISc faculty members led live interactive classes, capstone projects. Industry sessions and campus visits to IISc 335 hours of immersive learning, 245 hours of classes, practicals, case studies, mini projects, tests, campus visits and 90 hours of tutorials. Participants will have 2 campus visits of 2 days. Each classes will be held every weekend for 2 to 3 hours. Eligibility. Education, bachelor's, 4 years or equivalent, or master's in science. Engineering management work experience, minimum 1 year coding experience, programming knowledge required. Note, graduates in other stream with relevant coding experience can apply. Data science course. Application fee 2000 rupees. Program fee 4 lakhs rupees. And special program fee with scholarship 3 lakhs rupees. Easy financing options 12-month 0% interest scheme, interest-based schemes. Financing as low as 10,030 rupees per month. EMI options. Loan partners. Admission process. Apply for the program. Submit details. Selection by IISC committee. Join the program. The selection for the program will be done by IISC and is strictly based on the education, work experience, and motivation of the participants. Participant profile. Sample certificate. From top organizations. For watching. Please and subscribe.